Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to tell you project parameters and the shape parameters. How to associate the shape parameter and the project parameter each other. So I will going to explain to you. The project parameter is only in your project. That is the main things. The shape parameter is you can give to your friends or your colleagues in the for their project or any kind of project. You can use a parameter in other project, something like that. The shape parameter is you can save in the local file or in any other server, then you just give to anyone else. So the project parameter, it doesn't work like that. It's only you can create the parameter in your project and only in your Revit file. You cannot share to anyone else unless you use the same synchronized server with your colleague, being colleagues. So you work together in the one project as central file. That's the only thing you can use a project parameter. The shape parameter is like you're working in here, you're working in Singapore, and the other guy is working in US. So if somebody need that your shape parameter is fine from US, so you can share, you can send to your friend in the US. So something like that is a share parameter you can share to them. Okay, so let's find out. I was going to explain to you and the share parameter and the project parameter. Okay, before I explain to you the share parameter and the project parameter, I need to explain to you the two type of the parameter. Then look over here, the parameter, you will see this. He was saying the type parameter is under edit type. That is edit type is a type parameter. You will see in the property box that is an instant parameter right over here. The instant is you can type in here individually. So this, for example, this is a one type here must number 001. Okay, another wall in this hole I can give it a 002 right over here. That's two different. They will be changed to the 001 and 002. How about the type parameter? That here is a type commands and type must here. If I give to the one, if I give them the type must into the type parameter, W001, it's just okay. If the same kind of the wall type name, you are able to see here W001. Just only one time you apply the type parameter in the same type family, the system family. That is a system family. The wall is a system family in here. Now you will see this wall, the same exterior installation on masonry. Then you will see that here the type map, but here is an instant parameter. I didn't give it. I haven't give to this, so you will not able to see the number 001 and 002. That's a two different instant and type parameter. Okay, so I hope you get this. So I will move on to the next step, the parameter, share parameter, the project parameter. Okay, in here the project parameter, you can select the project parameter. This is a project parameter. Is Autodesk give it you the sample project is that he already created. So you will see this occupied. Then what is given to for the room? That is a room. He give it the identity data here. For the rooms, he give it the identity data here. Occupy that he discipline for the common key structure MVP. You can use either. So the task title parameter, the task is you can type the task and numbering and anything. So you can type it here. But this is a project parameter. You cannot export the parameter to give your friends or your colleagues or any other country guys or something like that. So you cannot share to them. And if you want the share parameter, in this parameter I did create for my own one is here. I created my own one. Is this a parameter file? In here if I copy and send it to anyone else, they can use this my shape parameter if they want is the same here, the cover page, the model title, and the family name here. There's a group of parameter group. So the title block, the date, revision, skill task, or whatever that is, all the task, all the parameter, and I can give to you or to someone else. Something will be applying to a project. So something like this. The project parameter, you are not able to export the file and then give it to someone else. No, it doesn't work like that. So that is the reason you can create a shape parameter and put into your project parameter, then it's work. So I was going to explain to you how to create a shape parameter in here. Okay, the first of all, I just going to create a new one. So I will delete this guy. So I will create a new one and shape parameter. Okay, and save in the local file. That's a shape parameter. In here, totally new, that you won't see anything at all. So first of all, you have to create this. You look at here, the parameter is gray out, so you can't click on anything. So it's only here. It's only one option. You can click create a new group. So you can create a group. After this, you can create a parameter. So the group name, what group you wanted to. Okay, and earlier I just show you my own parameter for title block or the family and any other cover page or something like that. So for this tutorial video, I will explain to you facility management. That one is 4D, 5D, 60 or something like this, 70, 80, 10D. So I will give you the group parameter name. So facility management, so I will create a new parameter. What you wanted to, just 4D code. So discipline, I will choose common. If any other structure and Archi, MVP, anything you want to, you can apply. So I will choose a task. Task, if you can type in the numbering and the task either you want it, if you want. So just click OK, that 40 code. And another one is like 5D code. The same discipline and the length, this title parameter, I will choose a task. Just click OK. If you want the 60 and if you forgot, it's like accidentally you forgot to type in the code, then just move on the task, click OK. You can't even do editing here, the task name or something, that just only one thing. If you want to just simply is delete, just create a new one. It's 60 and COD code. What title parameter task? Just the 3 items here. Okay, the parameter, the shape parameter is already created in the outside. Then it's where is that here. The file is in here. You just copy and paste and give to someone else. Then they can use it. This they can see it in your they can see it in my project is something like this. Okay, and you already create the shape parameter. Is only this. Okay, for example, this is a project 001. Okay, if you step to the 002, then you just import to your 002 project. The shape parameter is lifetime working. There is no limit for version issue. No, there's no like that. So it's just every version account is able to work. So just a project parameter, you just log into here, just add it here, and the shape parameter. If you want the type and instant, you can choose it here. Okay, I will choose the instant, so I might be able to see in the outside the project property here, because every single element might not be the same, the code numbering or something like that. So I will choose the types, then you select to 4D, then select over this. Then the parameter data here, the 4D code and discipline is common. The task that is already created in the shape parameter. So that's the reason it's created out here. So here is already that's an option. You can choose where you wanted to group parameter under. So I would choose under others. other, I will choose other. So okay, another step. So you want to choose any kind of category. So I will choose the floor first, floor and wall, door. Okay, 3 category here. So click OK, just click OK. Then you select the wall. You are able to see this 40 code is already applied in here. And the same scenario, if you proceed the 5D, share and then select 5D, just click OK, and I will choose other. What is that? Floor, wall, and door. Only 3 category, and click OK, and you select it 40 and 5D here. Then if you select the roof, but this doesn't appear here because you haven't applied the parameter for the roof, so you can modify it. Is no more shape parameter. It is already into your project parameter here. You just click the 40 code and then modify it right here, and then check is only 3 category. If you want it now for the roof, then select roof, just click OK, and then click OK. You selected the element for the roof, you will see this 40 code. That is the same scenario if you can use that. You already applied for the roof, but it doesn't have for like this. What is this? There's a wall is already applied 40 and 5D. How about the 60? Then you can apply to the project parameter. It doesn't log into the project parameter yet. Then you can take from the shape parameter, just add it, then choose the shape parameter, select 60 and click OK. If you want the tile and instant, select if you want any of these. Then choose the group parameter. I will choose other. Then what category you wanted to apply for the roof and floor, and how about roof, door and walls. Okay, just click OK. 4D and a 5D. That's the things you can use it for something like this. Okay, the roof here 4D and 60. How about the 5D? Doesn't apply for the 5D yet. It is the project parameter here, and modify. Just look for the roof and then select it. You check it the full category here and click OK. You're able to see this. Then how about the column here? Okay, this is the column category. If you don't have for the 4D and 5D, that's the easier way. But because the shape parameter is already imposed to the project parameter here, right over here, the 4D, just simply go to the modify and then look for the column. What kind of column this? The social column, or here you just check this guy, social column here, the project parameter and the 4D, and look for the structure column. Over here, click OK. The 4D is already applied. You select the column, look for this, 4D is already here. So that the same scenario you can use for any other things, a staircase or any kind of category. If you want, you look for here the floor, furniture, general model, everything, anything, any kind of category you want to load into any kind of category here. The shape parameter is work for every category for that. So you just apply and associate it, anything that. So I hope you guys understand how this project parameter and the shape parameter. So I will repeat to you again, one more time. It's a project parameter. You were not able to export the file, something like a standard file. It's like in the local file. You are not able to apply for another project. It's something like you just transport the project parameter or something that is a different things. Transport the project standard, and it doesn't work with that. So 45D, that's a parameter, and but the way it is, you create a shape parameter and then load into the project parameter, then you can work with this. So if you step on another project, 002 project, Revit project, and 003 project, and if you want to share the parameter from the 001 project, whether you create the share parameter, then you can share to the 002 and 003. They will absorb, they will import the parameter into the 001, 002 to 003. They will able to work anytime, anywhere, or something like that. You can share to anyone else, something like that. Okay, so I hope you guys understand that this is the tutorial video. Do not forget the like and subscribe and share, and see you next video, and bye bye.